Hey everyone, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Unfortunately, we had a main issue with the main camera while I've just literally just shot this video for you guys. So you're gonna get a lot of the GoPro with my chat on it. Of course, you just won't get the main camera with me on it. So I apologize. I thought I hit the right button. I don't know whether just it didn't come down all the way or I bumped something on my way out from behind the long arm. So I hope you enjoy the video, and we really appreciate you liking and subscribing and just hanging out and spending your time with us. So big hugs, everybody. Thank you. Hey everybody, welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today happens to be a very special Wednesday. It is Pop and I's 25th wedding anniversary, as well being Canada Day. That's when the day we got married 25 years ago. So to honor that for us, I have made this leaf block, and you can check the video out over here. Hopefully Munchkin will put an iCard in there, and I put it on point and then pretty much made my own Canadian maple flag. So when I put 1995 here and 2020 down here to help represent the 25 years, and then built it out with the Northcott sesquicentennial fabric that is here and here to make this beautiful project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this in with a little loop meander, and then I'm going to do the leaves of the maple. Okay, but I wanted to show you. Here are some of the stitch out that Pop has created over the past few years. Here is the fox. He's super cute, and I made sure to got his nose stitched out this time. I missed it out on the first one. And then there's a big old bear right here. Isn't that awesome? I put the bear on twice because it's my favorite. And then over here is a beaver. Isn't that awesome? Nice and big. I did stitch it out with two colors. I put red first and then white. And I think I might actually go and do a golden color as well, just to kind of make those critters just pop right out on our little flag. So let's go back over here. And of course, there's the other bear over here. And facing the opposite directions. He's going that way, he's going that way. And the beaver's looking in and the fox is looking in, okay? So to just do the little meander, I'll just start here and here, but I can't go all the way to the bottom. So I'd kind of want to more stick towards the top until I can roll it, but we can definitely work on the leaf. Okay, so you want to come to the midpoint, you know, it's got the little veins that come out. So you could either come down here, and then here, and here, and then up the center, which I think I'm going to do. And it's just a matter of thread painting. You're just going to get yourself there, do a little branchies, come back, get yourself where you need to go, do a couple little branchies, come back, and hopefully we can make it look pretty. Because that is the goal. Make something pretty. All right, so right in the center. And of course, we put a beautiful wall hanging together as a weekend live stream video, so you can probably check that out over here. And it was just one last Saturday, and it's going all the way to Australia, and I'm very excited. All right, so 12 stitches per inch. It is off the belts. I don't have a ruler plate on here because I didn't think I was going to work with the ruler at all. And we're just going to have some fun. So I think I'd like to maybe come up here first and then work my way maybe back down, and then I can build out here and come back. Just kind of gave me a visual reference of where I needed to go and come back to. So. And of course, you want to be kind of organic about it. You don't want it to be too straight and strict. You want to have those little veins of the stem sticking out, being prominent. Now you can go over it many times. This is just going to be a wall hanging. The whole point of thread painting is you're painting with thread, so you can go all crazy. You got a spool you want to use? Well, have at her. There. You just want to have some fun. Pretty dimensional look to this big old maple leaf we made. This block ended up being 15 and a half by 15 and a half. And then we put 3 of them together, 3 by 2, like 3 rows of, 2 rows of 3. It made a beautiful wall hanging. Okay. The leaves are going to be all weird, so just have some fun. There it goes. Pull up a leaf for reference, or just wing it, make it your own. There's no rules. No one ever said there was any rules. If they did, they're lying. Don't believe them. They don't want it. It's just being all crazy. Some fun. Try not to think too much about it. Just come in, give some depth and dimension, some nice structure. You're making it unique. You're making it your own. I'm making it for Papa. It's been a very fast 25 years, let me tell you. If we didn't have Munchkins, the honeymoon surprise, I would never imagine that we would be married 25 years already. We got a little thread out there. What's going on? Oops. Something happened. What's going on there? Stretch that out a little bit. Okay. All right, well, get the jibby of Jeb out of that one. And then to just come in and just do a little loop and just going around here. I thought about doing hearts. And I'm like, it seems a little cheesy. So, who knows? I love them. We don't always have to have hearts and everything. So, but I really like to be able to put the 1995 on one side of the stem and the 2020 on the other, just to maybe collaborate our, our beautiful love. And then we just stitch around. We'll just do a little loop meander. Let's go here and then we'll work our way around. And hopefully everybody is going to have an amazing Canada Day, if it's Canada Day where you are. I can always put in a heart in this loop meander if I so wish it. And you just really want to get that all tacked down so the leaf really kind of pops out. So flip our way around to the top because we don't want to get too close to the bottom. And you can't look over it. It's not that you can't. You just make it look good. And we'll make up for the lack of celebratory big party with family and friends next year. Cute little strip of meander, just bringing it all together. It's like the leaves are blowing in the wind. Of course, you can always try and stitch echoing out the little leaf. Try and get stitching in the dipping. It's a very easy little half square triangle project to take on. It's a fantastic little table runner. Makes a great placemat, and obviously and a couple of wall hangings. Now even that other one, you put another set of rows of 3 on, you got yourself a wonderful lap quilt or a lovely couch quilt. And I had all the leaves going one way, and then on the next row underneath, and all the leaves were going the other. Of course, you can decor and have all the stems come together in the center. I think that would look lovely. That would make a lovely wall hanging. Of course, you don't have to do the block that big, or you can leave a little bigger. It's completely up to you. It's just a matter of half square triangles and squares. And whatever your half square triangle comes out to be, whatever you're making it, you just make your square with it. Same size, the half square and finish. I've got a little thread under there. I have to pick that out. Very fine needle, or a very tiny crochet hook to pick that out. Just have to be patient. Not impossible task. You can do it. The last of this maple leaf fabric that I have from 2017. So it's kind of like 150th. Alright, so I'm just going to leave that there for the moment. Here we go. Drop the needle so it stays there, because if it's off the belt, it's just going to go all over the place. I like how my stem has looked. I think I'm going to come back and do a little bit more in the center, and then of course off onto this one. But other than that, it looks awesome, and I'm very, very, very pleased with this. So thank you everybody who watched the videos or hung out with us on any of the live streams. We greatly appreciate it. Just give a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, hit the button. Have some fun with us. Join our guild website at www.wesewit.com, and .ca is our main website. You can always check us out there. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and safe and happy holidays to all those who are coming. Okay? So take care, everybody. Big hugs from us at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. See ya!